y'all. So it's been quite some time since I did a YouTube video. I'm sorry about that. Life has been really crazy, but I saw Kylie in Kentucky. If you don't follow her on Instagram, you should. But I saw her unbox her VIP lettering box from Tombow, and I had to get one. So I ordered this just a few days ago. It already came, and I wanted to film this and get a review up as quick as possible. So that way, if you guys wanted one, you could get one before they sell out. So let's just dig right in. Okay, so let's open this up. A big old box. Okay, so the first thing we have is this little pamphlet, and it just lets us know what's inside the box. So we know we have an exclusive custom dual brush pen 10-pack, and I actually, again, saw this already on Instagram. So this one is specifically 2 shades, and it's kind of made for blending. On top of that, we get a new blending palette, which is an extra large size. And the whole reason why I ordered this, and the most exciting thing, is the desktop carrier and marker case. And guys, you get all of this for $30. That's unbelievable. Okay, so let's look at these markers first of all. Oh, these are super pretty. They're a lot brighter than I expected them to be honest. Like that green and that yellow. Ooh, I'm super, super excited about that. So this says it's limited edition and custom. And if we go back to this pamphlet, I think I just said, yeah, so this was an exclusive in the box. And that's pretty cool to have. It's gonna make blending super easy. If you follow me on Instagram, then you know that I love watching blending videos. I'm not so good at it myself, but hopefully this will help me. We've got another little sheet of paper in here that just says, love your box, let us know, rate it. And that's it. That's good. I'm definitely going to rate it because I already love it. We've got some filler fluff, but let's go ahead and take out this marker box. Ah, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and move this box out of the way. And I'll go ahead and take out the extra large blending palette just so you guys can see it. So this is the extra large blending palette. And that's the last thing in the box other than the fluff. And I actually went ahead and pulled out my regular blending palette that is very, very old and very well loved. You can see that it's so old that water and markers had gotten underneath. But this is the original one, the small one that you can get on the website. I got it with my purchase of the Tombow dual brush pens, like the whole set. I think it came with 96 if I am correct. But you can see this one is huge. I mean, the size difference is not even comparable. When I purchased this small one, I got a small little spritzer bottle, but obviously, you know, you can use any spritzer bottle that you have laying around the house. But that's how I personally use this. I would put either my Tombows or even my Crayola markers, and then I would spray this on there and then flip it over. You can rub it on and you get that really cool watercolor wash effect. So I'm very excited to have a big, giant, fresh one, and this one feels a lot thicker, and you can kind of hear that lamination noise where it's very thick versus this one is a lot thinner. And like I said, this one is, oh gosh, it's probably going on 2 or 3 years old now, because this Tombow brush set was one of the first like actual lettering things I ever bought for myself. Technically, I didn't really buy it. I got it as a Christmas gift, but it was the first thing that I ever really wanted for lettering after I used the Crayolas and different things that I had picked up just around the house. So I am super, super pumped. This gives you the color chart, which is awesome, and tells you a little bit about the different types of blending. So that's great. And the other side again just says their logo and says blending palette. So that's super exciting. And I think the lettering is super cute. I wonder if, I believe her name is Brittany Louise. I wonder if she is the one who did this lettering because she works for Tombow. If not, I'm sorry to whoever did, but this is very exciting. Super pumped. Okay, and the big show stopper is this marker case. Oh my gosh, y'all. Okay, this is a big deal because this in itself is arguably worth more than $30 to me, at least, because There is no real good way to store your Tombow markers. You know, it comes with the pen stand, but then either that's out on your desk or you've got it stuffed away in a closet somewhere, or you've got a Ziploc bag full of them. You know, it's hard to keep them organized and it still look nice, or you easily be able to take it places. So this is super, super exciting. Ooh, I'm super pumped. And as you can see on the bottom, hopefully that's picking up on camera, this actually unfolds into 3 parts. So let me open it up and show you real quick. Oh, I've got a little piece of fluff. Okay, so this opens on the sides. Let's just pop the top off. Okay, so here we go. Now you can see how it just opens up beautifully and you can put all of your markers in it. Oh my gosh, this is a huge, huge deal. So again, this was just a short and sweet video for me to show you what comes in this month's box. And as of right now, it's not sold out yet, so I'm gonna try and get this video up as fast as possible so you guys know what I think about this. And after I start using things and once I get this organized, I will definitely keep you guys updated. So until next time, stay bossy, y'all.